friends and welcome to GPS Gateway. In this video we will talk about how you can view the history of a certain vehicle. But first we will understand what is history view. If for a vehicle you wish to see how many kilometers did the vehicle travel and what was its starting point and what was its last point, then in the digital tracking application you can view all of these details as a part of history view. Now let us understand how you can view the history of a specific vehicle from your mobile first. First of all, you will have to download the GPS tracking application and open it once installed. Once you log into your user account, you will see this dashboard on your screen. Now you can see on the lower right hand of the screen it is written Others. You have to click on this. Once you click there, you will see the first option is History View. Click on it. Upon clicking, you can see the map. Also, on the upper right hand side, there are 3 horizontal lines visible. You have to click on it too. When you click on these lines, there is a pop-up that asks you to fill in some details. These details basically are the information of the vehicle for which you want to view the history. First box mentions from date, which means you have to fill in the date from which we want to see the history of. I am choosing this date here. Next box is to fill to date, which means till when you want to see the history of the vehicle. Here I am choosing this date. The third box below them says select vehicle. It means you have to select the vehicle for which you want to view the history. I am selecting this vehicle for reference. Now once you fill all these details, click on Submit. Upon submitting, you will see that the selected vehicle, the entire track covered by the vehicle during the chosen date is visible on the map. For more details about this vehicle history, you need to click on the finger icon on the lower end of the screen. Now you can see total kilometers driven by the vehicle during that time, the starting address of the vehicle, and the last location of this vehicle. If you want to view this on map in the satellite mode, you can click on the map change icon on the lower right hand side of the map like this. Now you can see this map in satellite mode. If you want to see the history of any other vehicle, you can follow the same steps. This was about viewing the history of any vehicle on any date. What if you want to see today's history of a certain vehicle? For that, you will have to click on the list option on the lower end of the screen. Upon clicking, you will see the list of all the vehicles. Now, you can choose whichever vehicle you wish to view today's history. After that, you can see the 3 dots on its right hand side. When you click on it, you will see the 4th option on this pop-up is Today History. Click on this option and you will be able to see the destination of this vehicle covered today on the map. For more details about this vehicle history, you need to click on the finger icon on the lower end of the screen. Now you can see today's total driven, average speed maintained by this vehicle, the starting address of the vehicle and the last location of the vehicle. If you want to view this map in satellite mode, you can click on the map change icon on the lower right hand side of the map like this. Now you can see this map in satellite mode. If you want to see today's history of any other vehicle, you can go back to list option and follow the same steps. If you want to know more about the information we shared with you, write in the comment section. If you like our video and want us to bring for you more such videos, then like, share and subscribe to our channel GPS Gateway.
Complete tracking software.